lot of you have been bugging me about finding Chinese sauces that are healthier, that doesn't contain all of the preservatives, that, may be gluten-free. Well, your requests have been heard, and this is a really easy homemade Chinese Hoisin sauce. It is delicious, it is creamier, it is more flavorful than the ones that you can buy at the grocery store. So here goes. So in general, you just mix all of the ingredients together, but we're gonna start off with the tahini and the water first because we want to thin that out. So 1.5 tablespoons of tahini with right around 2 tablespoons of water. Recipe is going to be down below. And then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of some Chinese fermented black beans that I've mashed up. So these are the same black beans as in the black bean garlic sauce, only you can find them separately at the grocery store. And I just put in about like a tablespoon of boiling water to help it soften up, and then you can mash them up all nicely into a paste. Now, if you guys can't find it, I think you could substitute for miso or maybe a Korean soybean paste. It has a similar flavor, but the black beans obviously provide that nice hoisin dark color, and the flavor is just a little bit different. I have some brown sugar, some 5-spice powder, as well as a little bit of chili powder. I'm going to mix that all in, and then the last two are going to be 1.5 teaspoons of rice wine vinegar, as well as 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and just mix all of that together. You can keep this amazingly delicious sauce in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks. And if you do want it thicker, because I usually use it as an ingredient in other recipes or as dipping sauces, so this consistency is good with me, but you could always cook this in a pot with a little slurry, and then that will help thicken up the sauce as a normal hoisin might look. But for me, this is good, and I don't have to cook it or add any extraneous ingredients. There you guys go. I think this hoisin sauce is 100% better than the ones in the stores, and you can make it gluten-free. It doesn't have all of the preservatives, and you can put it in, whatever recipes or use it in dipping sauces as you wish. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye!